guitar. Are you ready for a great guitar song from Morgan Wallen? I believe so. We're gonna look into Love Somebody. All right, so this one is very guitar friendly and it should be, yes. So we have 4 different chords in this one, and I'm gonna use the capo to have the easiest scenario possible. Capo on the 3rd fret, that's the setup. Let's go into Love Somebody. And we're gonna look at the 4 chords: D minor, the A sharp, the C, and the A minor. So starting with D minor, that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have the A sharp, we're gonna go with the sus version, and that's a bar chord. You play the index finger on the 1st fret, you cover 5 strings if you count from the bottom up like this, and then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. We have C next. That goes a 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the A minor. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we will look into the strumming now, and it's 2-part strumming. That means one chord will play for one part and the next chord for the second part. So we're going to look at the first transition here between D minor part 1 and A sharp part 2. And I can just mention now we have this main chord progression pattern. It goes D minor, A sharp, C, and A minor. So that will be pretty much 95% of the song. Anyway, let's look into the strumming first. D minor, grab that 1, and first part goes down, down, up, down, like this. So down, down, up, down. Okay, so that is first part, down, down, up, down, and then you switch chord to A sharp and play down, up, down, up, like this. So down, up, short pause, and then up, down, up. And if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Again. And then you apply the same principles for the next 2 chords, and that will be C, play part 1 in the same way as D minor, down, down, up, down, up. Sorry, up, down. And then A minor, part 2, down, up, down, up. So D minor part 1, A sharp part 2, C part 1, and A minor part 2. Slowly like this. And in tempo, a couple of rounds goes like this. So we have this played throughout this song, and the only difference here will happen in the choruses. I'm just going to mention the time stamps there. We had a chorus starting, the first one, on 47 seconds in. The second chorus will happen in 1 minute and 46 seconds in, and the last chorus will be at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. All right. So at that point, you're gonna start to play the main parts for 3 rounds. That means D minor, A sharp, C, and A minor for 3 rounds. And then after that, you're gonna play the A sharp part 1, the down, down, up, down, and then you go to C and play just 1 down in the pause. And that marks out the end of that round, so to speak. So that happens with these 3 rounds starting on 47 seconds in. So you're gonna play D minor, A sharp, C, and A minor for 3 rounds. And then on the 4th round, you can say you're gonna play the A sharp, part 1, and C, 1 down and a pause. So I'm gonna give you 1 round of main and then go into the final A sharp, C. So that will be pretty much 3rd round with D minor, A sharp, C, and A minor. And then on 4th round, so to speak, we have the A sharp and C, like this. And then again, main. And so on, all right? So what I mean with 3 rounds and then 4th round, the ending there is because the course starts there at 47 seconds. And then you're gonna play 3 rounds of main and then 4th round A sharp C. Anyway, I think you understand that is how I handle Morgan Wallen's Love Somebody. So pretty straightforward song. You have these 4 chords pretty much played throughout this song, same strumming, and yeah, that's it. So enjoy this, hope you liked it, and if you did, feel free to support me here at Gorn Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.